everyone, my name is Medintseva and you are on my crochet channel. In this video I want to show you a dragon. This is my new toy. This toy turned out to be very big, as I planned. The height is 20 inches. I wanted to crochet something special, not like everyone else crochets. I really went the extra mile with this toy and made some unique details. I think it turned out amazing. These protrusions on the head, horns, eyebrows above the eyes. If these are not eyebrows, then maybe eyelids above the eyes. The legs are crocheted in a special way. I am crazy about these legs. In the leg you can see the heel, and the toes, and the claws. I really like everything about this dragon. You can't even imagine how much time I spent on creating this toy, how long I nurtured the idea of such a dragon, and how much time it took me to implement it. I spent a lot of yarn. This is due to the fact that I could not do what I came up with the first time. That's why I had to unravel the crocheting many times and redo it. There was even a moment when the legs were fastened in the body at the joints, but in the end I didn't like them and had to redo the legs in a new way. I had to throw away some of the yarn because it simply got spoiled and became unusable. In general, I tried very hard. I wanted to do something special. I think I succeeded. And also, as always, I wanted to make this toy as simple as possible, so that the toy had a minimum number of sewn-on parts. That's why I tried. You won't need to sew on practically anything. Only the head and horns are sewn on. All other parts are attached, crocheted on the spot as you go. Please write your impressions in the comments. How do you like this toy? Will you crochet this toy with me or not? If you crochet and are not yet subscribed to my channel, then be sure to subscribe. Set a bell so you don't miss this masterclass. And very soon we will be crocheting this toy together.